Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice very easy, only way. Start with cold, day-old rice, prep all ingredients, and heat your pan until very hot before adding oil. Use high heat, quick stirring, and small batches to avoid steaming the rice. Season at the end with soy sauce and sesame oil. Taste and adjust, then plate immediately for best texture, and add diced proteins and vegetables early so they brown and add flavor. Make mise en place your best friend when cooking fried rice. It saves time and keeps the cook calm. Chop vegetables uniformly, beat eggs lightly, and cube any cooked protein. Keep soy sauce, sesame oil, and optional rice vinegar within reach to finish flavors quickly. Use neutral oil with high smoke point to prevent burning. Measure sauces modestly, since you can always add more later for balanced taste and better control over seasoning and texture. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes. On another note, I love these bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I used for leftovers. They keep rice fresh and transportable. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set if you want. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Heat the wok or large skillet until it smokes faintly for ideal searing. This creates a clean fried flavor. Cook eggs first in a small pool of oil, scramble lightly, then remove and set aside. Add vegetables and proteins next, sear quickly without crowding the pan. Return rice and eggs, toss vigorously to separate grains and coat with sauce. Finish with scallions and a few drops of sesame oil for aroma and a bright finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.